Hey YouTube, how you doing? It's Terrence Barker around here getting a couple things ready up into the shop. But before I do, there's a couple things that was on my chest and that I'd like to talk about. One of them is lye, and the other one is lye safety. There's a few things about lye when it comes down that are common misconceptions. One of the major misconceptions is that there is such thing as called no lye soap. Basically, when it comes down to it, all soap is made with lye, even melt and pour soap. Melt and pour soap is just a basic breakdown of lye soap that has the ability to be melted after it goes through a process that you can configure to shapes, modes, whatever, or what kind of soap you want. But beyond that, all soap is made with lye. That means your liquid soap, your bar soap, your shampoo, all soap is made with lye. Second thing is lye safety. Lye safety is it's pretty easy to work with lye. A lot of people are afraid of it, but my thing is you don't have to be afraid of it. Me and my wife never got burned by lye. I got never burned by my lye. My wife never got burned by lye, but we've been working with it for years. The only thing you need to do, though, when it comes down to it, is respect it. Without the respect of working with lye, that's when you may have issues. But like I said, never got burned by lye for all the years that we've been working with it. So here are a few things that you want to have. One of the things you want to have is goggles. You want to have goggles because why? You're trying to protect your eyes. Another thing is like gloves, a spill kit, a mask, or be in a well-ventilated area. We have all those things here in the shop. I just don't have them all in display. I'm getting ready, as I said. The other thing when it comes to lye is working with it is two things is that you want to have your calculations and you want to pour the lye into whatever liquid you use. The reason why you want to have your calculations correctly is because you don't want to have a hot soap is what it's known as. Or lye heavy. That's what it's commonly phrased as. So, as long as you do your calculations correctly, that won't be a problem. And there's a few ways to go about doing that. The last one is pouring the lye into the liquid, not the liquid into the lye. The reason why you want to pour the lye into the liquid and not the liquid into the lye is because it could bubble over, volcano, and spill, get all over the place. Then that's when you have to go in with your vinegar, clean things up. So as long as you have your gloves, your vinegar, your mask, your spill kit, ventilated area, you'll be all right. Reason why you want to have vinegar on standby is because just in case if lye gets on you or gets somewhere, you don't have to worry about the lye keep on burning or anything like that on you. You can just use that vinegar to deal with that situation. Beyond that, you guys, thank you for coming to our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And Thoughts Life, I'm out.